Hello, my name is Serafima Scheffer. I work as a Well Digitalization Manager in Exebenus. In this presentation, I will show you how the Exebenus Pulse digital operation procedures can be used with XML sensor data to automatically track and validate operational procedures. This can be used in addition to the manual tracking. I would like to show you the benefits of automatic tracking. It helps to reduce human error with structured digital procedures when using the consistent language and consistent activities. It helps to connect procedure to XML data with real-time sensors, allows automatically validate and track activities in addition to manually tracking, and it highlights deviation from the plan, automatically generating time and log of all activities in your operation. So what is an operation procedure and what does a digital operation procedure add? Digital operation procedure allows the user to work with more structured format of procedure, where each piece of information has a purpose, place, and showtime. The activities are together with related operational parameters. Checks and risks related to the activity are nearby. It removes inambiguity, human error, and allows the user executing or following the operation to focus on the important operation itself. Structuring of information in the procedure opens a number of opportunities. It allows to move away from procedure being just a manual tick-off list checked by the driller or company man on his printed PDF copy. With the vast availability of real-time sensor data on the rig, it is already possible to have an automatic validation of activities now. So how does it work? First of all, validation of activities requires minimal involvement of a human. As you can see, the system recognizes itself when the drilling of new formation starts based on the sensor real-time data connected to the procedure. Exebenus Pulse stores the start time of the step and records actual time till the step is finished and the goal of the activity is met. The related parameters like flow rate, RPM, and weight of beat are connected to the activity. During the execution of this activity, the system constantly monitors, in this case, upper boundary of the drilling parameters, ensuring adherence to the planned procedure. To ensure that the user has acquainted him with these important reminders, the user acknowledges reading the check and risk related to the drilling new formation in this example. When the activity is completed, and in this case 3 meters of new formation has been drilled to the planned depth of 678 meters, the system moves to the next step. Exebenus Pulse even picks the final TD based on the real-time data, which is 678.2 meters. It is also possible to see a green check mark next to the drilling subactivity. That would be similar to the manual tick that the driller would put on his printed copy of the procedure. It means drilling completed and no deviations were made, except that this validation happens automatically. But what if the parameters were violated? Let's use the same real-time sensor stream, but lower or reduce by 50% the upper boundary of drilling parameters. As it is possible to see, Exebenus Pulse highlights the deviation with a yellow exclamation mark. A deviation of execution from the planned operation is instantly highlighted to draw attention to it. Such highlighted deviations form a base of after-action review of the procedure, shall be explained and acknowledged by the rig and the planning team. These are the areas for further improvement, both in how to execute operation and how it was planned initially. Maybe the planned parameters were too conservative or non-realistic to achieve on the rig. These are the highlights peaking on ILT and potential NPT. So as you can see, automatic tracking uses real-time sensor data in a new way. It enables automatically to validate and track activities as they happen along, sets you to achieve the plan, and points out deviations and lets you manage them in time, provides situational awareness during execution and lets you focus on your work and the task ahead, and gives you the knowledge into your operations planning and execution.